Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a texture to your text. You can download the texture from the link given in the description. Okay guys, let's get into our video. First, type the text you need. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Okay guys, back to the tutorial. Then let's transform the text and make it a bit larger. I've opened the image that should be used as a texture. You can press Ctrl and O and open the image. You can download it from the link given in the description. Next, transform the texture image to a size where it covers the text. Keep the texture layer above the text layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now, the texture is added to the text. You can move it and do any adjustments as you want. You can use many other textures too. Let me show you some of them. Okay guys, hope you understood the process of adding texture to a text. Okay guys, now our texture has been added perfectly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.